Dude. Oh. What are you watching?
Oh, I can explain.
I've had a rough day today already. I did not need to show up to work to see Thomas watching seahorses give birth. I don't think today's gonna get much better. I don't see how it can.
Yeah, that video was already like on there when I got here, so I don't know what Cameron thought he saw, but I wasn't watching that. I was trying to watch, some Dude Perfect.
This is the 5th time.
Dude, it was just
I hate showing up to work and you're watching seahorses give birth.
It's just on here. I'm just going to Do Perfect, dude. I was just going to Do Perfect. Having some Do Perfect time.
Okay, let's watch some Do Perfect.
We're Do Perfect. Welcome to Water Bottle Flip Edition.
Dude, why are you eating a cookie? You know I'm on that keto diet. I can't eat sugar or carbs.
Oh, you can't be in the same room as sugar and carbs?
No, I can't be. Dude, I can't even look at them. Can't even look at them. Cameron knows that I'm on the keto diet. Dude, I can't even look or be in the same room as sugar or carbs. It just annoys me how he doesn't even respect what I want to do with my body.
Thomas's new diet, it's keto diet where you can't have sugar or anything, it's kind of ruining my mood. I can't sit here and eat good cookie, else he starts losing it. So I'm gonna get him to break his diet and I'm just gonna shove it down his throat.
It's so fun.
Dude,
no, you know I'm on diet. You know I'm on diet. Stop.
Dude, stop. Dude, eat it.
Oh, dude, no.
Give it a lick.
You know.
Give it a lick. Good boy. I broke him.
What's up, dude?
Dude, you know I hate how touchy you are.
I just want your attention.
Dude.
I just want your attention. Don't you love me?
Dude, what'd you do to your finger?
Nothing, I just want attention. Look at it, it's kind of gross. Oh! Ah! Love attention. Dude,
It's almost closing time.
It's almost close.
Hey, is it cool if I get a wash?
No, screw up.
Hurry, hurry, get out of here.
Thanks.
Bye, see ya. Bye. Alright, dude, I'm heading out.
What?
David Nicole.
What? Wait,
See movie tonight. Yeah.
it's bowling night.
Crap. Dude.
We haven't missed a bowling night in weeks.
Just dude, we can do one. I missed 1 week, alright? Dude, we'll get it next week. We'll do it next week, okay?
Yeah,
Next week? Alright. See you, man.
okay, yep.
Smile.